Zhuzhou Hanxing Machinery Technology Co. Ltd. is a national high-tech SRDL enterprise approved by the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology. Our company was founded in 2008 after years of hard work and struggle. Now we have a production workshop of 40,000 square meters, a high-standard factory building of 20,000 square meters, and a modern office building of 4,000 square meters in Zhuzhou High-Tech Industrial Development Zone. In order to ensure that the technology continues to lead the industry, the company is fully promoting the implementation of standards, which specialize in research and development, production, sales, export, and the service of special vehicles. Our company has 6 business divisions, including Rotary Drilling Rig Caliper Division, PileDriver Division, Aerial Work Platform Vehicle Division, Maintenance Vehicle Division, International Trade Division and Overseas Division.
International Division, Indonesia. International Division, Russia.
Our PileDriver Guardrail Emergency Repair Vehicle.
Guardrail PileDriver. Solar PileDriver Guardrail Emergency Repair Vehicle.
Ladder Loading Vehicle. Aerial Work Vehicle. Aerial Work Platform.
Backhoe Loader.
Anti-collision buffer vehicle and other special equipment. Our products have passed the EU CE certification, National Environmental Protection certification, and China Quality Certification Center product mandatory CCC certification.
5 invention patents, 81 utility model patents.
In terms of management, we strictly implement the LS-09001 standard management and successively adopt ERP, CRM and other management software. Moreover, we regularly hire experts in management, technology, quality, person, and finance to give lessons and guidance, keep improving our management. Our company already joined Zhuzhou Standardization Association, China Construction Machinery Pile Workers Association, Zhuzhou Mechanical Engineering Society and other industry authoritative organizations, and has carried out extensive cooperation with China University of Mining and Technology, Zhuzhou Institute of Engineering and other institutions. We successively been recognized as Zhuzhou Engineering Technology Research Center, Zhuzhou Industrial Design Center, Jiangsu Industrial Design Center. The establishment of these high-tech research centers provides a strong guarantee for the company's high-quality development. Over the years, relying on its stable product quality professional marketing team, based on 22 domestic offices and many service outlets, powerful foreign agency and service system, Zhuzhou Hanxing Company has been always adhering to the concept of letting talents grow in practice.
The front line of the fight against the epidemic. Visits from foreign customers. Kickoff meeting of the Great War. Outreach activity.